South Africans have an opportunity to set their sights on the local government elections taking place on Wednesday, the 4th of November of this year. This day must be used to break free from a chain of decline in which the ANC has entangled local governments and South Africa as a whole. The most pressing task for all South Africans now, today, is to ensure that they are registered to vote for the upcoming elections. Now is the time to remove the ANC in the local governments after 32 years of destruction. The ANC is finished and its support base is shrinking rapidly. Your time is over. The 4th of November marks a new dawn of hope. The Freedom Front Plus encourages voters to carefully consider which party's values, principles and policies resonate with them. Seize this opportunity, South Africa. Vote Freedom Front Plus for a better future. I thank you, Chairperson.